Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of creating your own 3D cartoon, complete with consistent characters and perfect lip syncing, just like something out of a Pixar movie? Well, what if I told you that you could do all of that for free, using the power of AI? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, showing you exactly how to bring your animated stories to life without spending a single penny. So, grab your creative hats, because we're about to dive into the future of animation. First things first, let's talk about the tools we'll be using. The star of our show today, a powerful and free AI platform called Viggle. This tool is an absolute game changer. It allows you to take a static character image and a motion video, and it magically combines them to create a fully animated character that copies the movements. We'll also be using Leonardo AI to generate our unique 3D cartoon characters, the Eleven Labs text-to-speech generator for our voiceovers, and a free video editor like CapCut to put it all together. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each one. Our first step is creating our main character. This is where the magic begins. We're heading over to Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, go to the AI image generation tool. The key here is the prompt. We want to be specific to get that high quality, 3D cartoon style. I'm going to use a prompt like this: Pixar style 3D character, a curious young boy with messy brown hair and big green eyes, wearing a red hoodie, full body shot, neutral expression, standing in a simple T-pose, white background. The T-pose and white background are super important because they make it much easier for the animation AI to work with the character later on. You can tweak this prompt to create any character you can imagine. Generate a few options and pick your favorite. Once you have the perfect character, download the image. Next up, we need some motion. What do we want our character to do? Talk? Dance? Walk? For this, you can either film a short video of yourself doing the action, or you can find a video online. For example, you could search on sites like Pexels for person talking to camera or person dancing. For our tutorial, I'm going to use a simple video of someone talking directly to the camera. This will be perfect for our lip sync test. Just make sure the video has clear movements. Download the motion video you've chosen. Remember, the AI will map your character onto this motion, so the clearer the action, the better the final result. Now, let's create the voice for our character. We're going to use Eleven Labs. It's one of the best text-to-speech generators out there, and it has a generous free tier. You can type in whatever you want your character to say. For this example, let's write something simple like, "Wow, I can't believe this is really me talking." AI animation is incredible. You can choose from a variety of voices to find one that fits your character's personality. Once you're happy with the voice and the delivery, generate the audio and download the MP3 file. This is the audio track we will use for our final animation. Okay, it's time for the main event. Let's bring our character to life using Viggle. You'll access Viggle through their Discord server. Just find their official website and you'll see a link to join. Once you're in the server, find one of the creation channels, usually named something like Animate 1 or Animate 2. Now, we're going to use a simple command. Type animate. This will bring up a few options. You'll see a spot to upload your character image, a spot for the motion video, and some extra settings. Upload the 3D character you made in Leonardo AI to the image slot. Then upload the motion video you found or recorded to the motion slot. There's also an option for the background. Make sure to select Use White Background to keep it clean. Then hit Enter and let the AI work its magic. This can take a few minutes, so be patient. After a short wait, Viggle will post your animated video right there in the channel. Download it and take a look. You'll see your 3D character mimicking the exact movements from your motion video. The motion capture is usually fantastic, but wait, what about the lip sync? Vigil doesn't automatically sync the lips to your specific audio file. It syncs the lips to the audio from the asterisk motion video asterisk you provided. That's a crucial detail. So, how do we get our character to speak the lines we generated with Eleven Labs? This is where a little editing trick comes in. We're going to combine everything in a video editor. I'm using CapCut because it's free and user-friendly, but any video editor will work. First, import the animated video you got from Vigil. Second, import the audio file you created with Eleven Labs. Now, place the animated video on your timeline. Then, place your Eleven Labs audio track on the timeline directly underneath the video. You'll want to mute or detach the original audio that came with the Vigil animation, since we don't need it. Now, carefully align your custom audio with the mouth movements in the video. Since our original motion video was of someone talking, the mouth flaps will already be there. You just need to slide your audio track left or right until the words match the mouth movements as closely as possible. It might take a little bit of finessing, but the result is surprisingly effective. You've now created a 3D animated character with custom dialogue and perfect lip syncing. Now, let's talk about creating consistent characters for a longer story. What if you want your character in different poses or with different expressions? The trick is to go back to Leonardo AI, use your original prompt, but add slight variations. For example, you could change neutral expression to smiling expression or surprised expression. You could also change T-pose to sitting on a chair or waving hello. By keeping the core description of the character the same, the messy brown hair, green eyes, red hoodie Leonardo will generate images of the same character in different situations. This is how you build a library of assets for your character. You can then animate each of these different poses using Vigil with various motion clips to build out entire scenes for your story. Let's put it all together into a short scene. Imagine you have 3 clips. One is your character just standing, animated with a subtle idle motion. The next is your character walking, which you created using a video of someone walking. And the third is your character talking, which we already made. In your video editor, you can now arrange these clips in order. Add some background music, maybe some sound effects like footsteps. You can even add a background image or video behind your character by using the Remove Background feature in CapCut. Suddenly, you're not just animating a single clip, you're directing a full scene. You can cut between different shots, show your character moving through an environment, and have them interact with their world. The possibilities here are truly endless. You can create educational content, short films, funny skits for social media, or even a full animated series. The best part is that the barrier to entry, which used to be thousands of dollars in software and years of training, has been completely removed. All you need is your creativity and a bit of time to learn these simple tools. I encourage you to experiment. Try different character designs, use wild and crazy motion videos, and play around with different voices. The more you practice, the better your animations will become. This is a brand new frontier for independent creators, and you are getting in on the ground floor. So that's the complete workflow for creating your own 3D AI cartoon animations for free. We created a unique character in Leonardo AI, found a motion clip, generated a voice with Eleven Labs, animated it all in Vigil, and put it together with perfect lip sync in CapCut. It's an incredibly powerful process that's now accessible to everyone. I can't wait to see what you all create. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI content. And if you make something cool using this method, tag me on social media, I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.